everyone, welcome to the Solana update. In Solana, we yesterday saw a very strong bull trend. We were in the video somewhere here and we said we are expecting a movement further to the upside to reach the wave 5, which it was perfectly reached. Now, as you can see, we have two main impulses, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the green or the teal one. Then that means this is the wave 3 of the 1, 2 in the yellow count, then 4 and 5. Now, if we move inside this wave, the last wave here, we can see that we have a retracement first, of course, ABC, that's perfect, touching the 0.23 Fibonacci for wave 4. That's perfect. So after we got a 1, 2, 1, 2, double 1, 2, and then we got a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 4, 5 for the 1, 2, 1, 2, which is perfectly played by Solana. And what to expect next? Now, with this downside here, it looks like kind of it has started to find some reversal point, all right? However, do not expect to go down directly. We might see also one more high as a flat, okay? Because Solana is doing really well with the latest update. So I'm expecting to reach still this level, the yellow line, which is at $188 or $89. So what I'm expecting is an A, B, and then C as a reversal. Yeah, so be aware of this, that we might not go down directly. However, this is still an A wave that we have here, right? If we go inside this, I'm gonna zoom inside this area now to check much more, or to have much more information what's going on. So in this wave, we can see 5, okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah, as you can see here, okay, the wave 5 might end it exactly here. Okay, so we saw 3 tests for this area and we couldn't break it. So that might mean something, but yeah, it's not that big deal. However, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 is a great scenario for an impulse. So that might be an A. However, if we see now 5 waves, that might change or open another scenario here, right? Rather than the flat, okay? Because when getting a flat, that means I need to see only 3 waves, and then impulse down for 5 waves. But in this case, I see here we have almost 5 waves, to be honest. However, the 5th wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 has touched the overlap with 1. Yeah, but it can still consider as extending flat, which is very rare, but yeah. It's not really clear if we can consider this as 3 waves and then getting more 3 waves and then impulse, or is it an A with 5 waves for a zigzag, then getting a B and then another zigzag, or another C wave with 5 impulsive waves. Yeah, so yeah, be cautious with it. So if we take a fib level here and we retrace a wave B retracement, we can see we have reached exactly the target of a wave B, which is in this area. It is a wide area. We can count already 3 waves, which is perfect. and we might start to see an impulsive wave in this scenario. Be careful that you need to count a 1, 2 first, and then 3, 4, 5 to go down, right? And the amount or the target of that zigzag would be, if in case we're going down from here. There we go. So this is your common target for a wave C, okay? So I'm gonna label this, of course. Let's set here A and B and C as first scenario. Sorry. Excuse me, I'm a little bit sick today. So we have A, B, C for a zigzag in this scenario. Now in a flat, if we go up, I'm gonna label this in a new label. Let's say A, B, and C. So in this one, I'm gonna put it in a different color. Let's say, okay, the green one is fine since it is a little bit higher. That means a bullish. All right. So if this is gonna be an expanded flat, we are expecting a retracement for a wave B. Let's put this again, a wave B, here we go. This is your wave B target, which is between $186 and $189. Of course, B always might overshoot, yeah? So it might even touch this and as a wick, yeah, the wick, and then close the price here exactly on 1.38 and then move down. It's very possible. Okay, then if that happened, then your wave C as expanded flat, here we go, this is your target for wave C as an expanded flat, which is between 170 and 168. So be aware, of course, that this is your target box here, okay, for both scenarios, right? For both scenarios, which are between $172 and $168. This is your target. The target of the wave B only in the expanding flat scenario is between 185 and 187. Okay. For the wave B as a zigzag, we might have already reached the required target. Okay. However, I prefer always to see a clearer 3 waves. But yeah, it might not be the case. So we might go down maybe directly towards the zigzag area. All right. So that was it for Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.